I'm Mr. Body catcher, slaughter gang, soul snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Wesson, I fold L gang pimpin'. We done baptized more niggas than a damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, man, my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? This F-bitch, you can still Weston.
I Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real, I'll be outside. I'ma try this shit and have this pussy dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can look me in the eyes. I despise when I see it, better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survived, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga died.
Heat blinkies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy, Glock like to leave hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk can never diss me. I come straight up out the six and we don't spell sissies.
I fuck with her, and fuck with her, and her. I hit up her, tell her do the sure. Voodoo curse, it got him while I flew the Turks. Know the dogs, had to hit him when we knew it hurts.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Let it bang bang, let it bang bang, till his brains hang, and his mama sang, and the pastor sang, and them bullets sang, and them choppers sang, and the choir sang.
I'm on everything. Jacob charged me for a 50 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. In my pen insane, in my men insane. There's like 80 of us now, that's the scary thing. Shit they doing on that other side embarrassing. We in Paris with it, 100 carats with it. All this shit is for my son, cause he's inheriting it.
Shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Yeah.
Hello, crypto YouTube. Here's Crypto Stud back with another video. God is good. God is great. Coming to you live from Miami. I thought I'd just get this video out. I kind of slacked last week getting a video out, and I think it's time to move this series along further. I did modify my mic a little bit. Hopefully I sound a bit better, not so monotone, boring. You know, it is making these videos is exciting for me, but at the same time, it's something new for me. So there's a big learning curve on it, just like when I first started learning to trade. Granted, learning to trade to creating content, YouTube video content and stuff like that is totally two different ballparks. But at the same time, I think it's always nice to try to sum up to two things and find equal grounds to them. Anyways, I do want to go ahead and analyze Bitcoin because we've really been having some really good movement on it lately, as of late. In my last video, I did post a bit of this 61500 area, is the area I was looking for. I'm just going to replay this a little bit on the video. My little shitcoins I'm in. But yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing it back down to the 60,000 range, this order block right here. That'd be kind of nice. Maybe front ran right here, 61,500. A little trend line here for that. Maybe around this area, front run it. See how that does on our next video. But yeah, so this is my indicator actually too. So as you can see, we are sitting at 61,500 right now. I do want to jump into the high block real quick. I did just post the latest one in our group. Kind of like when I'm trying to look for positions or trades or looking to get out of trades, I kind of like following, you know, what does high block look like? So we have a pretty large amount of shorts built up here. Probably the largest amount we've had in a long time. 61,500 is kind of the area I was looking for. Do we retrace a bit more? 6,100, 60,000, under 60,000, another buy opportunity under 60,000 could possibly let this build up a bit more for us and get further liquidation engine going back up to the upside again. Could be a possibility. You see as we're starting to build up here, the long liquidations are really very bare now. Kind of a switch over as of recent, but you know, really hit this liquidity pool right here, which is about 67, and then you know the all-time high that we just created at 70,000 ish. Would be kind of nice to take this back out and possibly swing fail pattern the whole entire trend again. Let me jump back to the trading view charts. Pop a little music on in the background. Hope everybody likes the music to some extent. I try to want to make, you know, the videos exciting at the same time, because technical analysis could possibly not be super exciting at the same time. But I'm gonna try to be really short on this technical analysis, get into my series again with the three more alts that I have purchased, looking to purchase more. You know, we did have this downtrend going on right now, and I think this is a good time to buy more. You know, fear of missing out. You know, when things are going up, you're missing out, but then when things are going down, you're fearful to buy in. Why is that? Anyways, so I do want to move out to the 12 hours to start with here. We are starting to get a kind of a bottom out here. I want this to go to a bit lower down below this area to really help us out. We do have 58,900 right here. Would be kind of nice to see. That would be swing fail pattern of this high. Would be pretty nice. We are getting some steam going down even further down. But again, you know, there are pullbacks. We went up quite a lot on the way up. If you really 39.4, almost a whole, you know, full entire move up with hardly any retraces. So this could be, you know, a heavy retrace on its own right now. But I was speaking about the weekly time frame last time we were talking, and we, you know, ironically, basically swung failed the high, came back into the range, confirmed in back into the range, and then dropped back down, which, you know, 65 I would say is a little, not really a confirmed swing fail pattern. You kind of want 68.7. So anything, you know, seeing a daily candle closer back into 68.7 area in this range. I was a little aggressive on this. I entered about 72. I did see some very frightening things on the higher time frames when I did get in this position, and as well as that, I actually kind of cut this breakdown right here, added a little bit more to my position when we came back up. But you know, the rate cuts talk is kind of out of question. CPI is increased up. PPI wasn't a very good indicator as well. I think Fed will cut. They're going to have to cut. We have a new president coming into office. There has to be somewhat of a cut, or well, I hope there's a new president in office, but on the side of away from being political, I'll be PC about it. But there's always, during election years, Fed has always cut rates regardless how things have been. I don't think things have been quite like they are right now with the sticky inflation that we have and the Fed wanting 2%, and we're just ticking right back up with rates as high as they are, for our life. You know, back then 17-20% interest rates were, I mean, those were great. You know, now we're at 3-2%. It's alarming. Anyways, I do think I really think we're getting close to a good long position. I think anywhere's in this range, you know, maybe a swing fill pattern down here to load back up on another move to the upside. You know, you can only sell off for so much. And I think there's the fears coming back, and everybody's like, oh, back to 9K. But we've had almost a 20% pullback here. So I think we're getting close to a bottoming out signal on this. But anyways, let's go to the 6 hour. Check out the 6 hour. We also have a weekly S2 here too. And weekly S3. That's a pretty strong indication. Normally S2, S3, we get some bounces even if they're temporary. If you go to like a 15-minute chart, you'll see S2 bounces quite a bit. They might not last very long, but there are quite a few bounces. And also to the upside, you know, R2 bounces as well you get. So, but we are getting into this order block here. It's kind of the area I was talking about in our previous video I posted on YouTube. So yeah, I think this area is a good buy opportunity. I might eat my words. You know, if it keeps falling, I'll just keep my short open. Ironically, it's just, you know, you wait until things transition and there's strength again, or in the case of us on the upside, there was weakness that started showing, which was perfect indication of actually taking a short. So time you know, time will tell us what we want next. Anyways, so let me go ahead and get into our, oh, I was gonna also see if we had anything interesting on here. We do have a Dalton right now. I always like to refresh EXO just in case if it gets stuck on the new open day. So D open down here, PD value area low. Remember, D open gets back into this area. A couple candle confirmations on this. There's a good chance we oscillate back to PD value area high. So, you know, ironically, we could probably see monthly low tapped, rise back up, previous day value area low, and then shoot back up to value area high. Could swing fill pattern this value area high, and then I don't know if this would be maybe a good scalp short up here on the top, but I think we're getting close to looking for longs is ideally what you want in this case. So to continue our series, I have, you know, 10 alts that I've really liked for this bull run 2024. Again, you know, minor pullback, it happens. That's what it is. Crypto markets are very aggressive with pullbacks. They're also very aggressive with breakouts. 20% gains, 20% losses, very normal, very healthy. But so let me go ahead. The first alt, one of the 3 alts that I have for today is called Near, which is it's a fairly new coin on its own. So Near actually is kind of competitor to Ethereum and EOS, and I know a lot of people are familiar with Polkadot. I actually liked EOS back in the day. It didn't really move worth a dang back in the day, but I was always a big fan of it. And Polkadot did have a good movement in our last bull run, so there's a good possibility that this coin could actually have a very good run itself. Let me go ahead and pull it up. And we'll see if we can get it on Mexi, just to shill Mexi, huh? So this is down right now as well, like most of the market is. But it's had a really good run as of recent. So I'm kind of glad that the market is taking a bit of a beating right now. You know, posting these videos and saying to buy these, and they're, you know, at all-time highs or had a good rally. Probably isn't the best time to really speak about them, but I do like them. I have faith in them. I think any opportunity to buy low is great. You can get back to 3, be a pretty large drop, but you know, almost another 50% from there. I don't really see that happening, but we do have a order block down here, and would be kind of nice to see that. But yeah, I mean, Near I think is a really cool one as well, and you could do your own research, due diligence on it as well. Just because some guy, you know, told you should buy it doesn't mean you should. Yeah, you know, I was reading through this, and it just seems like a really good crypto coin that I've had for quite a bit. So point of sale system, and then has nodes who wish to become transaction validators must stake their Near tokens to be considered for participants. So it's really, it's different. It's cool. I like it. I'm always for, like I said, I'm always for low cap value coins with higher potentials. You know, goes to the thousands. Wonderful. It's great. I do want to let's look at EOS. I haven't actually looked at EOS in a long time, and I'm curious where it is these days. Yeah, not quite. Well, it did have a decent run. Man, I remember this back, yeah, 2018, around then. Just kind of an underperformer, you know. It really just really hasn't gotten going. So the fact that Near is already more than it is and hasn't been around as long, it's pretty nice. Yeah, I think this needs, and you know, this looks really good. Let's build up right here. Nice little pullback, you know, buy around here would be nice. There's an opportunity potential for that. So yeah, so this is Near. This is my fourth altcoin that I'm recommending. It's more towards the back of my list. I'm not a huge fan of it. I did actually want to show Python again. We had a really nice breakout on this. Again, everything's pulling back right now. So if you missed your opportunity to get in on it, you know, you're looking for it down the road, I think it's a great opportunity as well. But we did get past $1. It's pretty nice. Such a clean chart. Big fan of this still. So it's in the top of my list here. Comp was one of the other ones I recommended before. I don't think I have it on Mexi. Gotta buy a bit. Man, this is taking a good pullback here. Man, that's exciting. It's exciting stuff. It's exciting to see that. You know, I know if you didn't take profits or you bought, you know, at the very top, it's not exciting for you. But DCA, you know, if you didn't buy in and you're looking to buy in now, perfect opportunity now. You know, always opportunities to buy. Okay, my next one is AEVO, and we'll go ahead and pull this up. Another low cap. And very new. Or it's new on Mexi, but so still fairly new though. Feels like it's a little older than this though. February maybe time frame. So Q1 launch and airdrop AEVO, and again it's a very, you know, very good price on a coin. So I do want to go to an introduction of it. So this was kind of cool. Traders can execute and settle with smart contracts. So I think that's awesome. So it's basically like an exchange, but using smart contracts, which is pretty nifty. It's pretty cool. I do love my beloved MXC, but you know, if I can invest in something that has a good future and has a good potential, why not? So staking is going to be coming later as well. launch spot and derivatives RFQ platform. You know, it's new. This is definitely something that's new, that's up and coming. It did recently just come under my radar not too long ago, and I actually did buy some recently. I might buy a bit more as well as it pulls back here. Again, all these coins are pulling back right now. I think this is good. I think it's really good for alts. Once we get some consolidation from Bitcoin and it cools off, I really think that there will be a nice little alt run for us, because a lot of these alts still haven't had the potential and movement like Bitcoin has. Some have, some haven't, but okay. And the last one is ONDO. Pull up the... This is pretty cool. I actually like this one. I'm looking forward to the they have well, let me show you the chart first. So this has been out very long. I did buy it about end of January, February time frame. But this is another one. It's still got a lot of potential. It hasn't, you know, blown up. Only 200%. It hasn't blown up, you know, 3,000 percentage, and still looks good, solid. And let me go ahead and pull up theirs. And then, so I really like this US money markets. I think this is going to be really cool. So invest and, you know, basically US money markets using crypto. So this is really cool. I don't know of anything that's quite like this that I've looked at. Stable, high quality yield for everyone. So tokenized note secured by short-term US treasuries and bank demand deposits. I think that's wonderful. And then US government treasuries. Not so much. I think the yields and definitely the money markets are keen. I'm keen for this to come out, but this will be really nice. But again, I think this is a great alt itself and a good investment as well to look forward to. So that's pretty nice. It's more safe. You're not going to make massive gains off of it, but if there's some money you want to put to the side of savings, you know, this can help build it a bit better than for some traditional banks. You know, high yield savings accounts can do 5-6% on a good day. So this is about 5.17, which isn't terrible, and it's, you know, smart contract more so. So I think that is pretty sweet. So I'm really liking this one. This is probably my top 5, maybe 6 on ones that I like. So, but yeah, so that's it for my alts. The top 3 for this video of my top 10. We have 4 other ones left. I'm gonna do another video next week on probably just the last 4 and just complete the series for us, and then head into the next series that I'm working on right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I kind of just want to be short and sweet, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are, and talk to you later.
our songs. What the fuck does she know about cameras?
I'm a little unsteady, a little unsteady.
You say you love me, but I don't care. That I put my hand on the same word that you told me that he fought you. You think it's so easy, fucking with my feelings. I got one coming over your heart right now, one right now.
To decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen